1, 2, 3. Happy freaking Thursday, everybody. There you go. I undoubtedly have way too much stuff. What's up, big guy?
Good.
How you doing, Tater Tot?
I got 5 now.
You're 5 years old now?
Yeah.
Whoa!
He's so old now.
You're so old, and Parker. How old are you?
Can she even see with her hair in her face? Say hi, Uncle Jake. Are her eyes open?
Yeah, her eyes are open.
Oh,
She's just staring at me.
No emotion.
Like my new skateboard, Jacob?
Yeah, I have a shoulder.
He wants a skateboard.
You want the skateboard now? Oh, ladder's in the way. There we go. We're good. Load up, Danny. Good girl.
Aw, hello, your auntie missed you. Oh, in the face.
Hi.
Aw, look at that. Cutest little face next to the cutest little face. There's too many cute faces in this car. I don't like it. Rear access door open. Yes. You ready for some food, big guy?
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna order? A cheeseburger?
Yummy. Cheeseburger and French fries.
Oh, that's a good choice.
And orange.
Oh, grand. Oh, there's plenty of cheeseburgers here, buddy.
Fries.
Yesterday was a productive
I got
work kind of day, and today is more of a chill hang out with the
I got
family
it.
kind of day.
I got
Uncle Duty, and guarding the door. Did you wash your hands, Jacob?
Yes.
Good job. Give me a high five. Good job, buddy. Proud of you. Show me your biggest bite, Jacob. There you go.
Oh.
That's a big bite. Parker, is that macaroni and cheese? No way. You guys have a cat now. Wow. Hey, kitty. How you doing, Nikita?
I didn't know that she was out of her kennel.
Wow, so that cat must be used to dogs. I mean, obviously.
Yeah, she's fine with Nikita, and you know how Nikita is. So.
Yeah, wow. Where'd you get the cat from?
We rescued her from PetSmart.
Hey, kitty, 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 kitty.
Mainly Kitty.
Aw.
The kids just call her Kitty.
Hey, kitty. How you doing? Yeah, say hi to the kitty, Annie.
Nikita's
Chaos. Chaos.
Would you expect anything less from me?
No. We have liftoff! Woo! Oh!
I'm not the best pilot.
Alright, well, you do have a baby in your arms. Let's try it again. Liftoff! Oh, ah! That thing is awesome.
Oh no, don't.
Oh, there you go, there you go. Oh, oh!
Needs to get a higher point of view.
Oh, God. Oh, nice. Come back, come back. Oh!
Oh, hey, Nikita.
I got one.
We're gonna be doing this all night. I just realized both my sister and Corey, they're both wearing iamjake shirts. You guys are awesome. Oh, and I'm gonna get my head cut off. All right, Jacob, ready? Don't move.
The finger of suspicion points at you.
Victim number 1, Mr. Giraffe. Victim number 2, Mr. Cat. Ready, Jacob?
Yeah, 3,
2, 1, blast off! Oh, yeah, we got him! Oh, your turn. Here we go. Aw, you just give me a kiss goodnight. Good night, sweetie. Parker's going to sleep. It's time for the big boys to have some fun.
Yeah.
First off, monster truck.
Yeah.
All right, Jacob, you ready to cut it?
Yeah.
All right, have at her. We're about to start and I realized we don't have a rear-facing camera. So I got the other GoPro. Rear camera. All right, we're good. And front camera, we're also good. Yeah, we can build a jump, right? Alright, so we gotta find stuff that we can use to build the jump, alright?
Okay.
Alright, so start looking. Oh, here we go. Yeah! 3, 2, 1, full throttle! Good night, buddy. Fun playing monster trucks with you. Get some sleep, alright? See you tomorrow. It's a few hours later. My sister's making my bed. Feels weird. It's like she's my mom. You gonna tuck me in too, Tater Tot? Huh?
Oh, I'll tell you a bedtime story too.
Alright. Have a good night.
You too. Love you.
Love you too. See you in the morning.
Sounds good.
And I will see you guys tomorrow too.
1.